what we're doing is so this is traditionally called the chasing the sun, although I call the lower half of it the sweep back because you're sweeping behind your back, right? So the left hand is coming, instead of going behind the hip, it's going under the leg and behind the hip. And what you're doing is at the bottom of the turn, you're lifting the leg, coming in toward the crotch, and then you come out underhand and then up and over. So with both hands, you're in overhand like this, you sweep it under, up, over the top, and down. Let's try the other side. Let's do the right hand alone. Same thing, only you're lifting the right leg. So instead of just coming behind the hip and going over the head, you're going to lift the right leg, come in toward the crotch, up, over the top, and down. So your overhand, sweep it back behind the right hip, up, over the top, and down. And then if we do it with both hands, left foot's forward, you're going to lift the right leg, put the weight, so you step into the left foot, lift the right leg, pivot, turn, up, over the top, down. Okay, so sweep back. We're going to step the left foot forward, sweep up and over, step the right foot back, sweep back, sweep over, step the right foot forward, sweep back, step the left foot back, sweep over, step the right foot forward, sweep back, step the right foot forward, sweep over, then chase the sun in counterclockwise, up to counterclockwise pinwheel split time. Then make it big 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and now we're going to do that giant 360, come around, 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 and up, back into the pinwheel. Turn to the left to overhand weave, 360, turning right, and now 360, turning left, and back to overhand on the left side, sweep back under the leg, up, over the top and down, back to weave, turn right to underhand weave, giant back over to the overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, fountain with the giant back to overhand weave, one more time, turn right to underhand, fountain back to overhand, and we're going to stall the left hand, come into overhand butterfly in the front, angel 3 times, 1, 2, 3, then giant to angel, back to butterfly, take out right side, take out left side, take out right side, add the tap with the foot if you want, and then we're going to go right side up and tap, and left side up and tap, right side up and tap, left side up and tap, and right out, left out, left up, right out, left out, left up, and angel twice, and then giant back behind, turn right, tap, and stall, and butterfly, turning left, and tap, and stall, and butterfly. Let's do that sequence again. So let's see if I can remember the whole thing. Stall left, come into overhand, facing the left side, and sweep back, step left, sweep over, step your right foot back, sweep over the top, step your right foot forward, sweep back, step your left foot back, sweep over, step your right foot forward, sweep back, step your left foot back, sweep over, sweep back, chasing the sun, and come up into the counterclockwise pinwheel, split time. Now we're going to make it big 3 times, and 1, and 2, and 3. Now go to the giant turnaround on the 4th one, and then we're going to turn left to the overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, and turn left to overhand weave. Now we're going to turn right and add the giant extension as we fountain over, and turn right again, turn left, add the giant extension again. One more time, giant extension, and now back to overhand circles, and sweep back under the right hand leg, up, over, down, stall the left poi, come into overhand butterfly, and right out and tap, left out and tap, right out and tap, left out and tap, right up and tap, left up and tap, right up and tap, left up and tap, and right out, left out, right up, left up, right out, left out, right up, left up, and butterfly, angel, and giant to angel. Take out right and tap, stall, back to butterfly left, tap, stall, back to butterfly right, tap, stall, back to butterfly left, tap, stall, back to butterfly. Woo! And how was that part? Sweep back, step your right foot forward, sweep over, step your left foot back, sweep back, step your right foot forward, sweep over, sweep back, step your left foot back, sweep over, step your left foot forward, sweep back, step your right foot back, sweep over, and then we're gonna step your right foot back, sweep back, and then up and over the top, coming down on the right-hand side. Let's do an overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, fountain back to right in overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, do an extension to the right side, to overhand, turn left to underhand, extension to the right to overhand, turn left to underhand, extension to the right, and we're gonna come into the sweep under the leg, lifting the left leg, sweep up over the top, and now chase the sun in clockwise, come up to pinwheel, split the time, then make it big 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and now do the giant on the 4th one, turn around, come back to front, and then we're gonna come down on the right, into overhand, sweep under the leg, up, over the top, stall the right poi, come into overhand butterfly, and left out, tap, left out, tap, left out, tap, left out, tap, right out, tap, right out, tap, right out, tap, right out, tap, and we're alternating left up, and left up, and right up, and then alternating left side, left up, right up, left side, left up, right up, and butterfly, angel, and giant into angel, stall, turn left, tap, stall, come to butterfly, turn right, tap, stall, come to butterfly, turn left, tap, stall, come to butterfly, turn right, and one more time to the left, and one more time to the right. Woo! And we're back at the top. So here we are, right foot forward, and sweep back, step right, sweep over, step your left foot back, sweep back, step your right foot forward, sweep back, step your right foot back, sweep over, step your left foot forward, sweep back, step your right foot back, sweep over, step your right foot back, sweep back, step your left foot forward, up over the top, overhand weave on the right-hand side, and fountain to the left, and back to the right, and then fountain to the left, and then do the giant extension to the right, and then one more time, fountain to the left, do the giant extension to the right, and we're gonna, we're gonna add the under the leg here, open it up, lift the left leg, under the leg, sweep up over the top into chase the sun, then we're gonna come up to pinwheel, split the time, then we're gonna do the 3 extensions, 1, and 2, and 3, and then on the 4th one, we're gonna do the giant turnaround, back to the pinwheel, and then we're gonna turn right, come down into overhand, sweep under the leg again, up over the top, stall the right poi, come into butterfly in front, and alternating right out and left out, should have been left first, right out, and left out, right out, and left out, now up, right up, and left up, and right up, and left up, right up, left up, last time up, and then left side, and now alternating, right side, left side, now go up, right up, left up, right out, left out, right up, left up, right out, left out, right up, left up, last time, right out, right up, left up, we're gonna turn to the right, turn, tap, and stall, come to butterfly, turn left, tap, stall, come to butterfly, turn right, tap, stall, butterfly, and left, tap, stall, butterfly, turn right, tap, stall, butterfly, left, tap, stall, butterfly, right, tap, stall, butterfly, left time, and woo, last time. Moving on, hip reel, and then bring it up to pinwheel. So we're in overhand, opposite in same time, and extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, come down to butterfly, make it split time big, 1, 2, 3, 4, back to small, and do a butterfly, come into same time, do a butterfly, turn around left, left out, turn to underhand, left out, come to overhand, now right turn, right out, come to underhand, right out, come to overhand, left turn, left out, come to underhand, left out, come to overhand, right turn, right out, come to underhand, right out, come to overhand, double stall out, underhand, opposite hip reel,